welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make another cookie, and this time it's gonna be chocolate. Who doesn't like chocolate cookies? So keep watching. I'll show you how to do our chocolate crinkle cookies. On this recipe, we will need to melt 1 cup and 2/3 cup of dark chocolate. The recipe requires couverture chocolate, but I can't find it in our local store here up north, so I'm just gonna use a dark chocolate. Couverture chocolate is a very high quality chocolate that has a higher percentage of cocoa butter. So that's a type of chocolate that it's glossy and it's more shiny. So, however, we can just use dark chocolate for now. So we'll see what's gonna happen. I just melted 1 cup and 2/3 dark chocolate. You can see here. So for this recipe, we will be needing stand-up mixer, or you can use your hand mixer. So let's get started. Let's start by cracking 2 large eggs on our stand-up mixer. The ingredients, the recipe actually requires 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, but I'm gonna do like a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar because I don't want it very sweet. So I'm gonna throw in there, and you will need also 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you will need 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. So we will mix them all together for 3 minutes. So we'll mix it for 3 minutes in a high speed, okay? Here's the consistency of our egg mixture. So we're gonna mix the melted chocolate on these mixtures, and we'll mix the dry ingredients afterwards. Okay. So I use my whisk attachment to mix the chocolate and the eggs mixture, and this is how it looks like. See the consistency? And then we'll put all the dry ingredients on this and roll it in the icing sugar. And then we'll get the flourless chocolate crinkle cookies. All right. For the dry ingredient, you will need 1 cup icing sugar, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and you will need additional dark chocolate chips for this to make it more chocolatey, and then another extra icing sugar that we'll use to roll it. Okay. So we have to sieve all the dry ingredients for this. So you see here. So I'm gonna do like, this is the uppers. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna do the cocoa powder. That's 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. And then I have 1 cup of icing sugar. And then I will add the 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Drop it all, everything there. And the salt. So whisk them. So your cookie batter will look like this. Now we're gonna add more dark chocolate chips on this. So that's a lot of chocolates. It's looking yummy already. So anyway, so we're gonna put the chocolate chips, another dark chocolate chip, to make it more chocolatey. Oh my God, can't wait for this. Preheat your oven to 375. After you roll this and press the cookie, it's ready to be in the oven. Only for 10 minutes, okay? We will bake this only for 10 minutes. Extra chocolate chip, I put about like 3/4 cup of that extra dark chocolate chips, okay? So once you scoop it, you roll it to the icing sugar. Okay, I don't know how many we can make on this, but I'll show you. Cookie like this, so you can create wrinkle. Actually crinkle, sorry. So press like that, and then put it in the oven for 10 minutes only. So my oven is ready. So just gonna press it. Oh my God, this look yum. It's gonna be super yummy. So press it. So the cookie is already done, guys. This is how it look like. Oh my God, it melts in your mouth. This is the best chocolate crinkle I ever tried. It's so good and it's so yummy and delicious. So aside from it's a flourless and gluten-free, it is delicious. So you probably would like to try it. So I think that's about it for my cookies. So I've never tried any other cookies other than those I posted on my YouTube. So I will try to find out some other more that I really like. I will only share to you cookies that I enjoy to eat and also food that I enjoy to eat. So if it doesn't taste good, I'm probably not gonna do it. So this is the one of the best so far, aside from those nuts that I did. So try these cookies, guys. You might like it. Thank you for watching and enjoy it. Don't eat it all. It's really delicious.